In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT send button, 2026 full guide. If your send button refuses to respond or messages hang without streaming, follow along and we'll quickly isolate the cause and get you back to work. First, before changing anything on your computer, check whether the issue is global. Open a new tab and visit status.openai.com. As of May 18th, 2026, all core infrastructure endpoints, data layers, and front-end interfaces are fully operational. That means if you're seeing persistent loading or freezing right now, the block is almost certainly local. Usually your browser profile, an extension, or your network path. Next, run a clean room test with an incognito or private window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Linux, or CMD plus Shift plus N on a Mac. Load ChatGPT there and try a very simple prompt. If everything works smoothly in private mode, your main profile has a conflicting extension or cached data. Go back to your normal window and temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers, tracking protection, script stoppers, or aggressive privacy shields, and test again until the culprit is clear. If the send button still misbehaves, perform a targeted cookie reset for OpenAI rather than wiping your entire history. In Chrome or Edge, click the three dots, Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies, and choose See All Site Data and Permissions. Use the search box to find OpenAI and ChatGPT and remove those entries. Return to your ChatGPT tab and force a hard reload with Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus R on Mac. You may need to sign in again, but this refreshes corrupted session tokens without disrupting other sites. Now consider input size. If ChatGPT locks up or throws a red banner right after you click send, your message may be too large or complex for the server timeout window. Break big requests into layers. First, paste your reference material and say, review this documentation block for context, but do not process it yet. Reply only with awaiting instructions. Once acknowledged, follow up with the specific task. Finally, verify your network. Disconnect any VPNs or proxies which can trigger protective loops or blocks. If possible, try the official mobile app over cellular data. If that works while your desktop fails on Wi-Fi, your router firewall or DNS settings are interfering. Methodically ruling out these factors is the fastest way to restore the send button and smooth streaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.